Hello, Conceal Coalition. Hey, if you spend more than 5 minutes around me, you know how important I think dry firing is, because behavior that gets wired together fires together, especially in a crisis. The thing is, how do we safely do dry fire so there's no accidents? First rule is make sure that you do not have any ammo in the training room. Make sure the firearm is visually and mechanically and manually inspected. There's no ammo. Leave all training live fire rounds outside. Now, when you come in to do your dry firing activity, whether it is how to shoot, drawing, or some sort of small discrete skill, before you start, say these words out loud, even if you're the only one in the house. I'm starting dry firing practice. And when you do that, put the thought in your head that even if something does go wrong here, if I'm dry firing, make sure that you're aiming in a safe direction, that something will catch that bullet. Now, once you've finished your dry firing session and you've got no more reps in you, here's what I need you to say out loud. Okay, I am finishing my dry fire session. And when you come back in and you're ready to load back up, you've already said, I'm through dry firing for the day. This eliminates that habit of I'm gonna take one more rep, and instead of a click, you get a loud bang. This saying out loud is so important because it helps you build a system-based safety of dry fire. And the reason I want you to be system-based in this dry fire is because we need to be making sure that our training is recent, relevant, and realistic. That means I need you doing more dry firing more often for shorter sessions. I want you to be as fresh as you can, as often as you can, and get as many reps as possible. But when you do that many reps in this daily or weekly or monthly or how often you can get away, it's so easy to have an accidental lapse in your safety procedures. That's why you want an ironclad system. No ammo in the training area. Out loud, I'm starting my training. Make sure that you still have a safe backstop. When you get through training, I'm through dry firing for the day, so when you load up, there's not that one more rep. Dry firing, it can make you a better shooter, but it also poses some significant safety risk.